In lower organisms like yeast and hydra, we observe budding. The number of species that are known and described are range between 1.7 to 1.8 million. Genera Plantarum was written by Bentham and Hooker. According to Copeland, the red algae belongs to Protista. The term clone cannot be applied to offspring formed by sexual reproduction because offsprings do not possess exact copies of parental DNA. Which of the following taxa are not used by botanists? Phylum and subspecies. A vascular cryptogam is equisetum. Continued self pollination results in homozygous for its characters. The ovule in P are campylotropous. Bicorpellaris incorpus superior ovary and berry or capsule fruit found in brinjal. The inflorescence of VT is a spike of spikelets. A colorblind man marries a woman who is homozygous for normal color vision, being colorblind is 0. A colorblind girl will always have a colorblind father. A cell is about to divide, though not to make sperm or eggs. Just before this division, the amount of DNA it is double. Which RNA is short-lived? mRNA. Aquaculture includes both marine fisheries and inland fisheries. Some soma clones are obtained at tissue culture. In which phase interface damaged DNA is required? G. What would be the percent growth or birth rate per individual per hour if population of 50 paramecium present in a pool increases to 150 after an hour? 200%. The first order consumer are called herbivores. Which one of the following is not used in organic farming? Snail. New York at 41 N has 105 species, while Greenland at 71 N has only 56 species. A lake with an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in death of fish due to lack of oxygen. Symplastic movement is aided by cytoplasmic streaming. Tracer elements are microelements. When CO is added to PEP, the first stable product synthesized is oxaloacetate. The first product of photosynthesis is sugar and it's converted to starch. Cytochromes were first discovered by Maiman. Before entering respiratory pathway, amino acids are deaminated. The growth hormone responsible for apical dominance is auxin. The science of naming the plant is known as nomenclature. Red rust of tea is caused by Cephalosporus green algae. In SAT chromosome, satellite, in terminal part of chromosome beyond secondary constriction, it contains repetitive DNA. Mule is produced by interspecific hybridization. Substrate phosphorylation is the formation of ATP. Virus cannot be grown into nutritive media. When stomata open, the pH of guard cells increases. Little leaves disease occurs due to deficiency of zinc. Aquatic annelids like nereis possess lateral appendages called parapoid, which help in swimming. What is common between parrot, platypus, and kangaroo? Answer is homeothermy. Where is ciliated epithelium found in the human body? Fallopian tubules. Compared to those of humans, the erythrocytes in frogs are nucleated and with hemoglobin. Crypts of Liberman are present throughout the small intestine. Trypsin differs from pepsin in that it digests protein in alkaline medium, while pepsin does so in acidic medium. Carbon dioxide combines with hemoglobin 20 to 25 times more readily than oxygen. In lungs, the air is separated from the venous blood through squamous epithelium plus basement membrane and an endothelium of blood vessel. In mammals, the female secondary sexual characters are developed by the hormone estrogens. Nutritive medium for the ejaculated sperm is mainly provided by the seminal fluid. The hormone responsible for milk ejection after the birth of the baby is oxytocin. Emergency contraceptives are effective if used within 72 hours of coitus. Oral contraceptives for the female containing non-steroidal preparation with very few side effects and high contraceptive value once a week pill. Saheli. Examples of uricotelic animals are marine fishes, amphibians, and mammals. Muscular movement occurs in movement of our limbs, jaws, tongue, etc. Which of the following organs have unstriated muscles? Small intestine. A muscle bends a part over another. It is a flexor. When a nerve fiber is stimulated, the inside of the membrane becomes positively charged. Myelin sheet is produced by Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes. Hairs occurs in some women due to effect of adrenal steroids. The heart of fish is different from the other group because it pumps only venous blood. Contraction of right ventricle pumps blood into pulmonary vein is a wrong statement. Cardiac output is both the product of heart rate and stroke volume and the blood pumped in 1 minute. Plasmid is required in genetic engineering. Biopiracy is use of bioresources without proper authorization. Other squamata include snake and lizard. Squamata is the largest order of reptiles comprising lizards and snakes. Trans fats are hydrogenated fats which make the oil more solid. They are found in most processed and fast foods. They help food stay fresh for a long time. Which is the main organ of respiration in amphibians? Answer is lungs. Fimbriated funnel is proximal part of oviduct. Administration of progesterone or progesterone estrogen combinations or IUDs within 72 hours of coitus has been found to be very effective as emergency contraceptives, as they could be used to avoid possible pregnancy due to casual unprotected intercourse. Aldosterone facilitates water reabsorption. Cells are attached to bones by tendons and bones are attached to another bone by ligaments. Tendons and ligaments are types of connective tissue. The membrane attached to the hair of sensory cells of organ of corti is tectorial. Daily rhythms 24 hours are usually associated with pineal. Pressure is controlled by adrenal gland. The normal percentage of glucose in the blood of man is 0.1%. It is found in plasma. Golden rice is a transgenic rice having gene for carotene. Golden rice is a variety of rice produced through genetic engineering to biosynthesize beta carotene, precursor of vitamin A in the edible part of rice.